whatever. That was interesting. My car just wouldn't start. I don't know why.
Shit my pants, I thought we were getting home.
Yeah, a little bit. What way am I getting out of here? Is it to the left to get out? Yeah, it is. No, to the right.
Yeah, can you go right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Just Honda things, you know.
Being fucked up. Apparently Audis are bad. That's what Belinda was telling me the other day.
Not all of them.
They're not reliable.
Nah, depends on what you get. Like if you're getting a cheap, shitty one, yeah, obviously. Anyway, yeah. Lovely, brand new Honda Civic 1.6 diesel. You know, no issues. And I think, cause did I say it to like, I was sitting in the car once, and it was me and Darcy just sitting in here, and for some fucking reason, it just started beeping and showing like warnings on the dash.
Oh, no.
Like the engine was off.
What?
I don't know, it was just random shit. Like, we were just sitting in it for a while, and then like 3 different warnings popped up.
Oh.
So, I think
Warning, get the fuck out of the car.
that might have been like, hey, don't sit in here without the engine on. Yeah, fucking stupid, I guess.
I won't even fucking be able to sit in your car with the engine on, it's quite stupid.
Yeah. I don't know if it was the battery or whatever. So, I was gone to get this head strap to record this video, and when did we wake up? 11?
Yeah.
We woke up early anyway to get this, and we decided, we checked one place in the town, the ID, and we were like, okay, it's not there, we'll go to fucking Waterford, which was like an hour drive away from where we live, to see if they have it, because they should, you know. It's a head strap for a GoPro. You don't think it's fucking rare. And so we drove up.
Did it also say it was in stock on the website?
Yeah, it did. Where did we go first? Harvey Norman?
Yeah, we're at Harvey Norman. I
Yeah.
actually don't think we checked the website for Harvey Norman.
I think I did.
Yeah.
And I think it was another like in-store only check thing.
Yeah.
So anyway, went Harvey Norman. They didn't have it.
I can't reach.
Right beside Harvey Norman was Curry's. They didn't have it. Fucking...
Electricity.
We drove down to Electricity.
Said that they had it in store.
So, yeah, low stock, that's what it
Low
was.
stock, yeah.
Low stock in store, but other stores that did not have stock had it completely gone. So it's like, okay, low stock, but there is some.
Yeah.
We went there, drove down, they're gone. No fucking stock anywhere. Did another 10-minute drive down to a different DID. They won't have it for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And so we're sitting there fucking 3 hours.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
they spent a good night to me.
3 hours down there without a fucking head strap. And by the way, I have one ordered. I did order one on Amazon. I got this car like 2 months ago. Yeah.
Does not feel like that. Like it feels like way longer, not shorter.
Yeah.
It's like way longer.
I'll show a picture on the screen when I edit this of my old car. A beautiful 2009 Honda Civic Type S that had issue after issue after issue.
Yeah.
But whatever, you know.
Sold it to some really lovely men.
Yeah.
For like one of their daughters, one of the lads' daughters. It was like the dad and then the granddad, and then sold it to them, knowing about all the issues. Also gave him a bottle of oil as well. He bought a fucking bottle of oil because he knew the oil was low. But then they got there earlier, so we weren't able to refill it, and he ended up fucking giving him the bottle of oil. And then didn't he pay you like €50 less or something?
Yeah.
Or less.
He ended up paying me 50 less.
Yeah.
But
By accident, I think.
to be honest, I got more than what the car was probably worth.
Yeah.
So in the end it's fine. I didn't have to really fix anything in it. They just kind of bought it. I got this car 2 months ago at 249 kilometers. It's now at 257. In 2 months I drove 8,000 kilometers. Not that my insurance knows that. There you go.
Now, why is the front thing so high
What?
on his bike?
Dunno. Is this still recording even?
Yeah.
Yeah, for the first few times until Monday, I'm just gonna be like, is this still recording? Are you sure? It's an 8.
The red light flashing means it's recording.
It's an 8. Yeah, it's an 8 gigabyte card. So you'd think it could record a bit more than fucking 18 minutes of 1080p. Nope. I wanted to start recording because fucking Rizzy and what's his name? Luigi. 404 Luigi or something from the UK. Netherlands basically the UK.
Basically the same.
Yeah, we're basically the same. Because if they can do it, why can't I, you know?
What did they even title their videos?
They like, it's literally just like college student first drive in after passing test. Or Rizzy's just like countryside bashing in the fucking Honda.
I don't know how he fucking does that. Your dad does that kind of shit though.
Yeah,
I remember when he was like, I want to test drive the Honda, and he fucking took it down and was gonna
took
do
it for a spin, you know.
Yeah, was gonna do a fucking donut on a wet, slippery road, which wasn't just wet. Like it wasn't just like the road that was wet. There was leaves on the floor, wet leaves. That's so much more like slippy than just wet road.
Yeah. I don't know.
So I'm glad he didn't do a donut because I thought I was gonna die.
Yeah.
I actually thought that was like my last ride ever. I was like, that's it. Like this is actually the end. The end is
You're scared of like anyone driving.
Yeah. I don't know why. Like I've never been in a crash or anything like that, but like I don't know.
Dunno.
When I was younger, I remember one time going through like a back road with my mum. I think we were driving to Trevor or something, and here I was sitting in the back of the car with my 3DS for the majority of the ride, just playing on my 3DS, like not really thinking about the outside. And then at one point I was like, oh, the nature, oh fucking it's raining. I was looking outside and I was like, oh, the nature, the leaves, holy fucking shit, everything is passing by so fast. And then I started freaking out and I turned around to my mum and I was like, Mommy, why are the trees going by so fast? And I just started crying to her. And then I went back on my 3DS like nothing happened. And I had a great time. I need to play more Tamagotchi now.
Yeah. I have a 3DS.
From a dumpster.
From a dumpster that my dad found.
Perfectly working.
Perfectly working. Like, he just came home with a fucking Mr. Price bag or something from going to a fucking dumpster yard, and he was like, hey, you wanna check? Yeah, he has a dealer at the dump yard called fucking like Andre or something that he gives like €20 a week or every time he goes there.
Yeah.
And he's just like, give me whatever you have.
Like consoles and
then,
shit.
yeah, anyway, this time I look at the bottom of the bag and I see something like a fucking 3DS and I'm like, holy shit, no way. Pull it out, new 3DS XL. The only problem being the shell was like, it was like it fucking melted.
Oh yeah.
Because the colours were all fucked.
Yeah. Like we left out in the sun.
And we didn't have a charger with it, obviously.
I brought mine.
Anyway, we're recording this on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's, everyone who has a Valentine. And who doesn't.
Anybody who does.
Yeah. Ding ding ding. Never happened before. The minute I put my GoPro on, after buying it, stinks of weed, whatever. Bought the head strap, got in the car, was fixing the head strap. Car doesn't turn on.
No, got ready, had the head strap on and all. It was like, right, ready to go. Recording.
You know, I wanted to start real nice, real smooth, like, what's up? Honda Civic. No. Nah.
Fuck that. Why would I want to do that?
huge screen I had here.
Oh yeah.
I had that, but I didn't like fucking touch it while I was driving. I'd put on music or whatever, have like maps on it. I might not be able to put that back on because it's fucking off my battery, clearly. Or I don't know, maybe it just needs a new battery. Who knows? Just be like, hey, anyway.
Yeah.
That's it, you know. Fucking
Yeah.
end of beautiful Honda Civic. There's the badge.